Hi, I'm Dan O'Malley from Cisco.
And I'm Rick, the radio guy, and today we're here to talk about these fine Rollts devices, Dan.
These are really nice devices. So what we have here is what's called the Rollts digital communicator. So you have a nice Bluetooth connection into your Cisco Instant Connect mobile client. And if you push your button there, Rick.
I'll push my button, Dan.
You can see that it's transmitting to this Cisco IP phone, as well as to the VHF radio. So it's going from a Bluetooth link to the mobile client over the internet and talking to other parts of the network. Another thing that Rollts makes is a network interface module. So this is what we showed in another video with the donor radio. It actually has a 900 megahertz donor radio, so that in the talk around mode, these Rollts digital communicators talk directly to the radio, which could be plugged into the Cisco E&M card in the router. And it comes with a nice RJ45 jack to plug into the router. And it even has battery backup. So if this loses power, it can last for an hour or so on backup battery built into the digital communicator or the network communicator. They also have what's called a repeater. So instead of having a network interface, it has a repeater. So let's say you wanted to, in your hospital, have the 900 megahertz signals rebroadcast to get better coverage, the different floors of the hospital or in a convention center. Put a few repeaters up and you'd get coverage throughout the convention center. In fact, some of the trade shows we go to, Rick, we have these digital communicators. 2 repeaters covers a lot of the Vegas Convention Center. So anyway, it's a nice little product from Rollts. Now, that's all tied into the Instant Connect system, but our customers say, what happens when you lose the internet? So what happens when you lose your Wi-Fi? Don't do this yet. We're going to show the holster.
Okay.
And then it goes into a talk around mode. So the last thing that Rollts makes is what's called a smart holster.
Pointing the gun at me.
Yeah, I'm pointing the gun at you, but it's a fake gun. It's a plastic gun. So much like the digital communicator, it's a Bluetooth link to the mobile client. I'm going to unholster my weapon, and there's a microphone in the holster. So I'm going to walk away because it's going to be a lot of feedback. And what they've done is they made a wide area microphone. So in the case of a police officer really doesn't have time to hit the push to talk button to talk back to people, dispatchers and the other part of his crew, they want a live audio connection back so they can hear what's going on. So I'm going to unholster the weapon, Bluetooth connected, just a microphone, no speaker.
Okay.
And then you'll hear my audio from the holster. Hello. Testing.
There we go.
1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see it's usually you're not right next to each other, so it's got a large footprint, so it can capture conversations from 20, 30 feet away or 5 meters away.
Because generally the bad guy is not going to be wearing the other domino.
Exactly.
Like we have right here. Okay.
Exactly. Now, what we're going to demonstrate here is the 900 megahertz talk around. So Rick's going to unplug the cable to the Wi-Fi hotspot, which we have both our own mobile clients connected to.
Okay.
And then we'll go into a talk around mode. And what you'll see in our mobile client, we have a feature called call assurance. So when the mobile client loses data connectivity, the mobile client will start beeping, and you can see we already have one of the mobile clients turned off. So Rick's and my device from a Rollts communicator. This is in a 900 megahertz mode, which you can see that. And now I'm going to unholster the weapon. So again, if you're wearing a digital communicator, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, you've gone over the 900 megahertz talk around mode. So again, both of these devices have normal Bluetooth with a 900 meg talk around feature. So when you've lost the internet, like the dispatcher won't be able to hear you, but the other officers who are wearing one of these can hear that 900 meg signal. And it goes up to about 1,500 feet. So it's a pretty good distance that you can still hear one another. Or at least from here, you just have a microphone. But if you had a digital communicator, you can actually talk and listen to one another.
Perfect.
And these are available from our friends at Rollts.com. Thank you for watching.